Alright, so now that the HTML template is done, we can now start to convert it into a WordPress theme. So I have a default installation of WordPress, and what we're going to do here is we're going to create a new theme folder. Okay, so I have my WordPress installation over here. I'm going to go to WP Content and then Themes, and let's create a new folder, and we'll call it My Shop. Alright, inside My Shop we're going to create index.php file, and we're also going to create a style.css file. Okay, and let's go ahead and put our declaration in our style CSS file. So we'll say theme name is going to be My Shop. Let's say author. You can put your name there, also your URL, or URI actually. And description. And version. Alright, so let's save that. And now if I go to the back end here and go to appearance and then themes, you can see we have My Shop. Alright, I do have a screenshot that I can pop in there, which will be in your project files. Okay, themes, My Shop. And I'm just going to paste that in. Alright, so now we have My Shop. Let's go ahead and activate it. Obviously right now if I go and reload the front end, it's just blank. Alright, so let's open it up. We'll open the folder up in Windows. Okay, and what we want to do is also open up the HTML file, our HTML template that we created, which is on my desktop. Alright, so let's bring over the CSS and the JS folder. Now we have a style.css in our WordPress site, so what I want to do is I'm going to take everything out of the app CSS folder from our template, and I'm going to cut that out, and I'm going to put it into style.css and save it. Okay, and then we can actually just completely delete the app.css. Alright, so now in the index.php folder we're going to put everything from our index.html folder. So let's open that up, and I'm going to copy everything here and then bring it over to index.php. Alright, and let's save that, and if we go to our website, reload, you can see all of our HTML is here. Okay, the CSS isn't connected yet, so we're not seeing that, but you can see the HTML. Alright, so let's go to the top of the file, and we're going to fix our style sheet declarations. And actually before we do that, we can add our title. So we'll get rid of that, and we're going to say PHP blog info, and in here we're going to put in name, and then for the style sheets we have foundation. This one is in the CSS folder, so what we can do here is, let's say PHP echo blog info, and in here we want to say template URL /CSS /foundation, and then this one we're going to replace this whole thing here with blog info, and then in here we can put in style sheet _ URL. Okay, let's save that, reload, and now you can see that our CSS is in effect. Now in the head, the last thing we want to put up here is we want to say PHP, and then we want WP underscore head. Okay, that'll put any extra stuff that is needed into the head file or into the head tags. So we're just going to work from the top down. The body, we also want to add our body class. So right here, let's say PHP echo body class. Oh, actually we don't need echo. Now for the logo, we're going to do something that we haven't done yet. We're going to implement an image, a logo upload from the theme customizer. So in order to do that, we need to create a functions file. So in our theme folder, let's create a file called functions.php. And we want to create a function for theme support. And we need PHP tags here. Okay, so we're going to say function, and we're going to use an MS prefix for my shop, theme setup. Alright, so we're going to say add theme support, and then in here we want custom dash logo. And let's see what else. I think that's good for now. So let's create our add action. Okay, and then in here we're going to put after setup theme, and then we want ms underscore theme setup. Save that, and then let's go to our index PHP, and we're going to replace this static image, and we're going to open up some PHP tags, and let's check to see if the function exists. So if function exists, the underscore custom underscore logo. Okay, if it exists, then we want to run it. Alright, now what we can do is go into our back end, and in the theme we're going to say customize, go to site identity, and now you should have this area here for a logo. Alright, I'm going to click select logo, and we're going to find it somewhere. Let's see, where is it? Okay, got it right here, and select. We should be able to make this much wider, and say crop image, and save and publish. So now let's go to our front end and reload, and now we have a logo. So now let's do the menu. Alright, so we'll go back to functions.php, and we need to go back into the ms theme setup function, and we want to set up nav menus. So we'll say register underscore nav menus, and in here we're going to have an array, and let's say primary and primary menu. Now we'll save that and go to index PHP, and we have our menu right here. I'm going to just get rid of it completely, and then we'll do PHP WP underscore nav underscore menu, and inside there we'll have an array. Alright, and let's say theme location. Which will be primary. And I'm also going to add a container class. And that's going to be menu, simple, and main nav. Okay, it's just going to add the classes that we had before. Alright, now I think, yeah, that should be good, so we'll save it, and then let's go to our back end, and I'm going to go to, first of all, we'll reload. Now we should have a menus option, so we'll click that, and let's see, I'm going to get rid of that. I'll keep the sample page. Alright, and make sure that you have this primary menu checked. Okay, we'll say save menu and reload, and now we have our menu. Okay, and if I click on it, you can see the links changed. You won't see it down here because we don't have that area of the theme set up yet. It's just static content for now. But the menu is working, the logo's there. Last thing I want to do in this video is, just before I forget, I want to go down into the footer. And let's see, right underneath the footer tags, we're going to put WP underscore footer. Alright, save it, and that should give us the admin menu up top. Alright, so in the next video, we're going to be working with these widgets. I'm actually going to show you how to create a custom widget for our showcase area. Alright, so I will see you in the next video.